Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as the author of the Beginner's Guide to Understanding Financial Statements and Financial Ratios. For this video, I want to take a real quick look at Nike's 2021 financial analysis for the last 5 years, specifically their cost of goods sold. And we're going to do this in 60 seconds or less. All right, so Nike, in the last 5 years, their revenue growth rate was about 7%. Average growth rate for their cost of goods sold, 6.8%. The growth rate for revenues is exceeding their cost of goods sold, means that the organization is doing a real good job with controlling their raw material costs. And if the raw material costs are going up, they're passing those increased prices on to the customers. So overall, for the last 5 years, organizations doing real good with their cost of goods sold management. Hopefully this information was helpful. You want some reports on Nike and also other public companies, just check out my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/public company finance reports. As always, have a great one. Thank you.